What is a trust and why do I need one? So think of a trust as a will substitute. A will says who gets what, under what circumstances, and who is in charge of making that happen. A trust does the same thing. The critical difference between a will and a trust is that a will has to be filed with a probate court and reviewed and approved before anyone can act under it or receive any assets from your estate. So everything filed in the probate court, including the will, becomes a public record. And as you might imagine, it takes a long time to go through the public court process. It is a legal process like anything else, and you have to enter that queue and wait for your turn for your documents to be reviewed. That can take anywhere from 3 to 18 months on average. It depends on where you are. So a trust, on the other hand, is a completely private document. No one is entitled to see that except those who are named in it and the successor trustee named in your trust that can act immediately without having to go through the court. They can file anything. They don't have to get permission first. So a trust is totally private, and it can be more immediate and efficient upon someone's passing. Whereas a will is a public document, and once it is filed with the court, that court has to review and approve it before anyone can act under it. So a will and trust are similar in terms of what they're trying to achieve, but they go through a very different process down the road when someone actually needs to act. A trust is more efficient and private, and the will takes a little bit longer and is public.